Welcome. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to extract a zip file on your PC. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, open up your favorite browser. Now just go ahead and type in WinRAR. Okay, hit on enter. Now just click on download right here and just click on this blue button. Okay, click on it. Save it wherever you want. So once the download is done, just click on it. Here we have the installer. So hit on install and OK. All right, I'm not going to do it again because I already have WinRAR. So once that's installed, for example, here you have your zip file. Right click on it. Now go to WinRAR right here. Extract files or extract here. Extract files, you'll be able to decide where you wanted to extract the specific file. Extract here means you will extract the files, the same file folder or the same window. Okay, extract here, for example, and here I have it. Okay, that is it. Now, if you want to make your own zip file, just right click on a blank space right here in your desktop. Now click on show more options, click on new, click on WinRAR zip archive. Okay, rename it new zip, just for example, and just drag and drop whichever files you wanted to transfer. Okay, double click on it and here you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.